The longest running event in the history of ACU is Summit, which has been held annually since our founding in 1906. Summit has survived the Great Depression, 2 world wars with the exception of 1946, and 2 pandemics, attracting tens of thousands of biblical scholars and church leaders to our campus. Out of an abundance of caution for the safety of our faculty, staff, and students and guests, ACU Summit 2020 will be held entirely online this fall. Virtual Summit will begin the 3rd week in September, and its 10 virtual pathways will address a timely theme. Blessed are the peacemakers, bridging the divides. We can't think of a better way to address the theological, socioeconomic, racial, and political divides that characterize our culture than by bringing together godly experts to study and discuss these important issues. Our virtual pathways will be available for several weeks, providing time for you in your busy lives to log on, participate in courses and discussions that I know will enrich your life and empower your service to the kingdom. I hope you'll be able to join us. Thank you, and may God continue to bless your work as a peacemaker in this world.